ሃይ ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ ተማሪዎች? እኔ ደህና ነኝ። ዛሬ በዚህ ቪዲዮ የምንመለከተው የሪሜዲያል ባዮሎጂ ከዩኒት 7 የተውጣጡ ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ከ60 በላይ የሚሆኑ የመልቲፕል ቾይስ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ቤዝድ ኦን ዩኒት 7 ባዮ ቴክኖሎጂ ከሚለው ምዕራፍ የተውጣጡ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነሱን አብረን እንሰራለን። ኤግዛማችሁ በሚያግዛችሁ መልክ ነው ለማዘጋጀት የሞከርነው። አሁንም በዚህኛው የምናደርገው ሞር ጥያቄዎች ላይ ፎከስ የምናደርገው መልሱን እነግራችኋለሁ። ምክንያቱም አብዛኞቻችሁ በዚህ ሰዓት ጥሩ ንባብ ይኖራችኋል በሚል እሳቤ በዛውም ቪዲዮ ቶሎ እንዲደርሳችሁ እንዳይረዝምባችሁ ጥያቄዎች ላይ ሞር ፎከስ እናደርጋለን። ኮምፕሬሄንሲቭ የሆኑ ሁሉንም ፓርቶች ለመንካት ሞክረናል በምዕራፋችሁ ያሉትን። በጥሩ መልኩ ነው ለማዘጋጀት የሞከርነው። ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን። ቴሌግራም ላይ አፕዴቶችን መከታተል እንዳትረሱ። ለጓደኞቻችሁም ሼር አድርጉ። ኦኬ እንጀምር። ግር የሚላችሁ ነገር ካለ አንዳንድ ኤክስፕላኔሽን የሚፈልጉ ናቸው ብዬ ማሰባቸውን ልክ ዩኒት 10 ላይ እንዳደረኩት ማብራሪያዎቹ ጥያቄዎች ይኖራሉ። አንዳንድ ጥያቄዎች ደግሞ ለእናንተ የሚተዉ እንድትሳተፉ ኮሜንት ላይ የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎችን ለእናንተ እተውላችኋለሁ። በዛ መልኩ እንቀጥላለን። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ የሚሆነው genetically modifying crops such as wheat, corn are engineered to produce insecticidal toxin. What is the primary benefit of this genetic modification for agriculture? A. Increases crop yield by extending the growing season. B. Enhance the flavor of crops. C. Makes the crops resistant to drought. D. Reduce the need for chemical pesticide spraying, leading to environmental and economic benefits. The answer should be the wheat, corn. Should be D. Reduce the need for chemical pesticide spraying, leading environmental and economic benefits. Number 2. How has medical biotechnology, particularly recombinant DNA technology, revolutionized the large-scale production of human insulin for diabetic patients? A. By extracting insulin directly from genetically modified animal organ. B. By synthesizing insulin chemically in laboratory. C. By engineering bacteria or yeast to produce human insulin efficiently and safely. D. By training human cells to produce more of their own insulin. Engineering bacteria or yeast to produce human insulin efficiently and safely. 3. What is the fundamental principle behind gene therapy, a potential treatment for genetic disorder like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia? A. Introducing a functional copy and a faulty gene into a patient's cell to compensate for the defective one. B. Replacing diseased organs with genetically engineered ones. C. Demonstrating genetically modified drug to alleviate symptoms. D. Stimulating the body's immune system to fight genetic mutation. What is the fundamental principle behind gene therapy as a potential treatment for genetic disorder like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia? introducing functional copy of faulty gene into a patient cell to compensate for the defective one. Number 4, a forensic team finds a minute quantity of DNA at a crime scene to obtain enough material for genetic profiling, DNA fingerprinting, genetic profiling, DNA fingerprinting, which molecular diagnostic technique will be essential to amplify this tiny sample. A. Gel electrophoresis. B. Polymerase chain reaction, PCR. C. DNA sequencing. D. restriction enzyme digestion. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ሚልን the answer should be PCR, polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain PCR በጣም በፍጥነት ሚሊየንስ ኦፍ ኮፒ የስፔሲፊክ ዲኤንኤ ሴግመንቶችን መፍጠር በትንሽዬ ሳምፕል መፍጠር። the answer should be B ነው የሚሆነው። Number 5, some genetically modifying crops are engineered to be resist a specific herbicides. What major advantage does this offer to farmers in crop management? A. It makes the crop resistant to all types of plant disease. B. It reduces the needs for irrigation, making crop drought resistant. C. It allows farmers to apply broad spectrum herbicides to control weeds without harming the crop itself. D. It directly increases the nutritional content of the crops. It allows farmers to apply broad spectrum herbicides to control weeds without harming the crop itself. Best answer. Number 6, gene therapy. What is the most common type of vector delivery vehicle used to introduce a therapeutic genes into the target cells of patients? የትኛው common type of vector ወይ most common type of vector ለዚህ እንትን የሚያገል? A. liposomes vesicles. B. electroporation device. C. modified viruses. D. plasmid DNA injected directly. The answer should be modified viruses. ቫይረሶች በተፈጥሯቸው ናቹራሊ በጣም ምቹ ናቸው። ጄኔቲክ ማቴሪያሎችን እንትን ለማድረግ በጣም አሪፍ ናቸው ወደ ሴል ለማስገባት። modified viruses የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ። 7, how are DNA protein probes utilized in molecular diagnosis to detect the presence of specific genetic sequence, such as identifying pathogenic microorganism or specific genetic mutation? A. They cut DNA into fragments of varying sizes. B. They amplify specific DNA regions exponentially. C. They translate DNA sequence into protein. D. They are short single-stranded DNA or RNA sequence that bind specifically to complementary target sequence. The answer should be DNA probes only perfectly complementary sequence in sample. የሆነ ስፔሲፊክ የሆነ DNA or RNA detection ይሰጠናል። Answer should be they are short single-stranded DNA or RNA sequence that binds only specifically perfectly to complementary target sequence መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 8 reproductive cloning in animals such as livestock farming primarily aims to achieve which of the following እንስሳት ላይ ደረገው cloning አለ reproductive cloning ለምሳሌ በላይቭስቶክ ፋርሚንግ ላይ primarily ኤሙ ምንድነው ለማሳካት A to increase genetic diversity within a population, B to produce genetically identical animals with highly desirable traits, example high milk production, disease resistance, C to generate stem cells for therapeutic purpose, D to create animals resistant to all known diseases. ሲኛውን መልሳችን reproductive cloning primarily በዋናነት the answer should be to produce genetically identical animals with highly desirable traits የሚለው ቤስት አንሰር ለምሳሌ እንደ ከፍተኛ ወተት ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም በሽታ ተከላካይ ወይም ጄኔቲካሊ አይደንቲካል ነገሮችን ፕሮዲዩስ ለማድረግ answer should be B ይሆናል። 9 what is the underlying goal of gene therapy when used to treat inherited genetic disorders like severe combined immunodeficiency or hemophilia? What is the underlying goal of gene therapy when used to treat inherited genetic disorder like severe combined immunodeficiency or hemophilia? A to completely eliminate all viruses from the patient's function, B to replace or inactivate a faulty gene with a functional one, restoring normal cellular function, B to stimulate the body's natural immune response against foreign invaders, D to enhance the patient's physical strength and endurance. What is the underlying goal of gene therapy? When we use to treat inherited genetic disorder like severe combined immunodeficiency or hemophilia, the answer should be to replace or inactivate a faulty gene with a functional one, restoring normal cellular function መመለስ ነው። ጂን ቴራፒ ፈንክሽናል ጂኖችን ኮፒዎችን ለሴላችን ይሰጠናል። ደግሞ to replace በማድረግ or inactivate በማድረግ ፋልቲ ጂኖች ካሉ ወደ ፈንክሽናል ዋን ፕሮቫይድ ያደርገናል። so the answer should be B ይሆናል። 10 which severe genetic disorder leading to dysfunctional immune system and extreme vulnerability to infections was one of the first human diseases to show promising results from gene therapy trials. A type 2 diabetes mellitus, B Alzheimer's disease, C Down syndrome, D severe combined immunodeficiency. With severe genetic disorder, so the answer should be severe combined immunodeficiency ወይም ይሄ ምንድነው የሚባለው bubble boy disease. 11 golden rice is a prominent example of agricultural biotechnology genetically modified to produce beta carotene. What specific global health issue is this crop primarily intended to combat? A iron deficiency anemia, B. protein malnutrition, C. iodine deficiency, D. vitamin A deficiency. ለምንድን ነው ኢንጂነር የተደረገው? ቱ ቤታ ካሮቲን ለጎልደን ራይስ ለቫይታሚን ኤ ዲፊሽንሲ በተለይም በማደግ ላይ ባሉ ዴቨሎፒንግ በሆኑ ሀገራት ላይ በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ የሚሰራጨውን የቫይታሚን ኤ ዲፊሽንሲ ከመቀነስ ነው። የጎልደን ራይስ prominent example of agricultural biotechnology study. 12. What is the broad advantage of modern molecular diagnostic techniques? Example: PCR, DNA sequencing, compared to traditional methods for detecting disease. A. They are otherwise less expensive and easier to perform. B. They can only detect very common diseases. C. They offer highly sensitive and specificity, allowing for earlier and more accurate disease detection. D. They rely solely on observing symptoms rather than genetic material. The answer should be: what is the broad advantage of modern molecular diagnostic techniques? They offer highly sensitive and specificity, allowing for earlier and more accurate disease detection. And PCR, DNA, በዋናነት ያን ጥቅም ይሰጡናል። 13. A significant ethical concern often arises regarding agricultural biotechnology, particularly the widespread cultivation of genetically modified crops, is A. The genetically modified crops requires excessive amount of water and fertilizer. B. The potential impact on biodiversity, cross-contamination with wild relatives, and the development of herbicide-resistant weeds. C. The genetically modified crops are less nutritious than conventional crops. D. The inability to grow genetically modified crops in diverse climates. Significant ethical concern, should be potential impact on biodiversity, cross-contamination with wild relatives, and the development of herbicide-resistant weeds. The best answer. That's actually 14. When a physician suspects a patient has a specific hereditary genetic disorder and want to confirm the diagnosis by determining the exact order of nucleotides in a relevant gene, which molecular diagnostic technique would be employed? A. Gel electrophoresis. B. Polymerase chain reaction, PCR. D. C. DNA sequencing. D. DNA fingerprinting. When a physician says a patient has specific hereditary genetic disorder, when to confirm the diagnosis by determining exact order of nucleotides in a relevant gene, answer should be DNA sequencing. C. DNA sequencing ያስገኛል። ፕሪሳይስሊ የኦርደር በተለይ አድናይን፣ ጓኒን፣ ሳይቶሲን፣ ታያሚን ያላቸውን ኦርደራቸውን በሙሉ በዲኤንኤ ሞለኪውል ውስጥ የሚያሳውቀናል። ለሙቴሽን ካለ ያን አይደንቲፋይ ለማድረግ ይረዳናል። በጣም ተሽልቢ ዲኤንኤ ሲኩዌንሲንግ። 15. How does plant tissue culture a technique in agricultural biotechnology contribute to sustainable agriculture and plant conservation. A. It allows for the rapid creation of entirely new plant species. B. It prevents all plant diseases naturally. It promotes the growth of weeds around crops. D. It enables the rapid progression of disease-free plants and the conservation of rare or endangered plant species. Answer should be plant culture allows it enables the rapid progression of disease-free plants and the conservation of rare or endangered plant species. 16. In the industrial production of bread and alcoholic beverage, what is the primary role of yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae? A. To add flavor enhancers to the product. B. To sterilize the raw materials. C. To provide a source of vitamins. D. To ferment sugars producing carbon dioxide for bread rising. D. And ethanol for alcoholic beverages. Industrial product bread. The answer should be primary role of yeast immuno to ferment sugar producing carbon dioxide for bread rising and ethanol for alcoholic beverage. 17. Ethanol fuel commonly used as biofuel is produced by fermenting sugars from various agricultural crops. Which of the following are primary raw materials for industrial ethanol production? A. Petroleum and natural gas. B. Water and carbon dioxide. C. Corn, sugar cane, and cellulosic biomass. D. Animal fats and oils. ባዮኢታኖል ከፈርመንተብል ሱጋር ከሆኑ ከነ አንሳርጆች ሲ ነው የሚሆነው። ከነ ኮርን ስታርች ናቸው። ሱጋር ኩዊን ሱክሮስ ነው። በጠቃላይ ሳችን ፕላስቲክ ባይሆን ሲ ይሆነ። 18. What is the key biological process carried out by microorganisms to convert sugar from biomass into ethanol for use as fuel? A. Aerobic respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Anaerobic respiration. D. Nitrogen fixation. To convert sugar from biomass into ethanol for use as fuel. Ethanol production በምን ላይ ነው ዲፔንድ የሚሆነው? አናኤሮቢክ ፈርመንቴሽን ነው። that should be in the absence of oxygen ማለት ነው። in the yeast sugarን breakdown የሚያደርጉ in the absence of which is anaerobic fermentation. 19. Commercial fruits juices are often classified to remove coldness. What is a key advantage of causing biotechnologically produced enzymes like pesticides for this purpose? A. They introduce artificial color to the juice. B. They specifically break down pestine, reducing height and improving clarity without altering other desirable juice components. C. They increase the sugar component of juice. D. They kill off all beneficial microorganisms in the juice. The answer should they specifically break down pestine. Okay, pestine is enzyme specifically እንትኖችን ፔስቲኖችን ዲግሬድ ያደርጋል። ካርቦሃይድሬቶች ደግሞ ካውድነስን ምናምን ጁስ ላይ የሚያመጡት እነሱ ናቸው። በአጠቃላይ መልሳችን ቢ ይሆናል። ስፔሲፊክ ብሬክዳውን ፔስቲን ነው። መልሳችን ይሆናል 20። A major advantage of ethanol as a biofuel is that it is considered a renewable energy source. Why is this designation application to the ethanol? A. It is derived from biomass that can be regrown relatively quickly. B. It doesn't produce any carbon emission when burned. C. It can directly extract from crude oil reserve. D. It produces more energy per liter than gasoline. The advantage of ethanol as a biofuel, the answer should be it is derived from biomass. It can regrown relatively quickly. Because ኢታኖል ሪኒዋብል ነው፣ እንደገና ሪጀነሬት ማድረግ ይችላል። ምክንያቱም ባዮማስ ሶርሱ ባዮማስ ስለሆነ ኮንቲኒዩሊ እንደገና መተካካት ኮንስታንትሊ መተካካት ስለሚችል በፎቶሲንተሲስ ፕሮሰስ እንደ ሌሎች እንደሚያልቁ ፎሲል ፉሎች አይደሉም። እነሱ ሪኒዋብል ናቸው። Anyone besides ethanol, what other important biofuel primarily composed of methane can be produced from the anaerobic digestion of organic waste material like animal manure and sewage? A. Biodiesel. C. Hydrogen. B. Hydrogen. C. Biogas. D. Syngas. ምንድነው ፕሮዲስ የሚደረገው? በሚቴን ካንታሽሊ ባዮጋዝ በአናኤሮቢክ ዲኮምፖዚሽን በማይክሮኦርጋኒዝሞች በሚያደርጉ ጊዜ የሚፈጠር ነው። በዋናነትም በሚቴን እንትን የሚለው ሶ እንደ ፊውል ነዳጅ መልኩ ወይም በፊውል መልኩ ልንጠቀመው እንችላለን። To compare to traditional fossil fuel like gasoline, the major disadvantage of ethanol as a fuel is its lower energy density. What is the direct consequence of this property? Lower energy density consequence ምንድነው? direct consequence this is disadvantage. So the ባህሪው ውጤት ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? A. Vehicles using ethanol produce more harmful emission. B. Ethanol is more difficult to store and transport. C. Ethanol is significantly more expensive to produce. D. Vehicles require a larger volume of ethanol to travel the same distance, leading to lower fuel economy. ሎወር ኤነርጂ ዴንሲቲ ስንል ምን ማለታችን ነው? ፔር ዩኒት ቮሉም ወይም ሌስ ኤነርጂ ነው በፔር ዩኒት ቮሉም ይሰጣል። ስለዚህ ብዙ ኢታኖል ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ተመሳሳይ ፓወር አውትፑት ያለው ጋዞሊን እንትን ለማለት ብዙ ኢታኖል ይፈልጋል። ዳንሰር ሹድ ቢ ዲ ይሆናል። ይሄ ዲስአድቫንቴጅ ሆነ ወይስ ደግሞ ኮንሲኩዌንስ ሊወስድ ይችላል። 23. A single cell protein involves growing microorganisms like yeast or bacteria as protein source of human or animal consumption. What is the key advantage of single cell protein production compared to traditional animal protein source? A. Single cell protein has a significantly higher fat content. B. Single cell protein production is much faster, requires less land, and can utilize various waste materials as substrate. B. C. Single cell proteins contain more essential amino acids than animal proteins. D. Single cell protein single cell protein production is limited to specific geographic regions. Single cell protein ከፍተኛ ባዮማስ አኩሙሌሽን እንደዚሁም ሃይ ፕሮቲን ኮንቴንት በአጠቃላይ ለፈንጆች ከፍተኛ ጥቅም አለው ለመሬት ማለት ነው። መልሳችን የሚሆነው ለዩቲላይዝ ዌስት ማቴሪያልስ አስ ሰብስትሬት ምክንያቱም ለከፍተኛ አቅም አለው የኢንዱስትሪ ምንድን ተረፈ ምርቶችን ጠቃሚ ፕሮቲኖች ከመቀየር ስለታን ሰርቪ ቢ ይሆናል። Therefore, a significant socio-economic concern associated with a large-scale production of ethanol from food crops like corn is the food versus fuel debate. What does the debate primarily focus on? A. The ethical implication of genetic modification in crops. B. The diversion of agricultural land and crop from human food consumption to fuel production. C. The environmental impact of cultivating biofuel crops. D. The technological feasibility of converting biomass to fuels. Socio-economic concern associated with large-scale production of ethanol from food corn. So, ፉድ ቨርሰስ ፊውል በሚሆን ጊዜ ክርክራችን ትኩረታችን ሞር ሊሆን የሚችለው should be ቢ ነው ሊሆን የሚችለው። ፉድ ቨርሰስ ፊውል ስንል ክርክር ምንን ይገልጸናል? የአግሪካልቸራል ሪሶርሶችን እና የሰዎችን በተለይ ፓወር ቬሂክሎችን ከእንትን ከማለት አንፃር ከምግብ ዋጋን ከመጨመር እንደዚህ እጥረት ጋር የተያዙ ሁለት እንትኖችን እናያለን። ሰው ሞስት ፎከስ ሊሆን የሚችለው the diversion of agricultural land and the crop from human food consumption to fuel production የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል። 25. In industrial cheese making, beyond the initial curdling by renin, the addition of specific bacterial and or mold cultures is crucial for with what aspect of the final product? A. To prevent any further bacterial growth in the cheese. B. To provide the primary source of nutrients for the cheese. C. To increase the moisture content of the cheese. D. To contribute to the unique flavor, aroma, and texture development during ripening. የትኛውን ይመስላል? ripening እና started of the answer should be G ይሆናል። While ethanol is often promoted as carbonate neutral fuel because plants absorb carbon dioxide during growth, why is its overall carbon footprint still a subject of scientific debate? A. The energy required for its production and the processing, example distillation, often comes from fossil fuels and the land use changes. B. It emits more carbon dioxide than the gasoline when burned. C. It doesn't produce any harmful greenhouse gases. D. Plants used for ethanol production do not absorb enough carbon dioxide. The answer should be, well, ethanol is often promoted as carbon neutral, no? ተብሎ promote የሚደረገው because plants absorb carbon dioxide. Why is the overall carbon footprint still subject for scientific debate? answer should be the energy required for its production and the processing often comes from fossil fuels and the land use change. Second generation bioethanol production aims to use cellulosic biomass, example corn, stubble, wood chip, agricultural waste as feedstock. What is the main advantage of this approach compared to using food crops? A. Cellulosic biomass is able to convert into ethanol. B. It yields a much higher amount of ethanol per acre. C. It provides direct consumption with food production for arable land and resource. D. It produces ethanol with large energy density. What is the main advantage of this approach? Answer should be it provides direct consumption with food production for the resource መልስ ሆነን ፉድ የሆኑ ባዮማሶችን መጠቀም ለፉድ ቨርሰስ ፊውል የሚመጡ ዳይሌማዎችን እና ለኢታኖል ፕሮዳክሽን በዘላቂነት ከአግሪካልቸር ከግብርና የሚመጡ ዌስቶችን እንደዚህ ኤነርጂ ክሮፖችን እንትን ማድረጋችን በአጠቃላይ ነን ፉድ ባዮማሶችን utilize ያደርጉና so the answer should be let's see it avoids direct consumption with food production for arable land resource. 28. What is common application of biological process in wastewater treatment plants that contribute to energy production? A. Using algae to produce biodiesel from water from wastewater. B. Anaerobic digestion of sewage sludge to produce methane-rich biogas. C. Employing genetically modified bacteria to filter out pollutants. D. Direct combustion of treated wastewater to generate electricity. Anaerobic digester በተለይም በዌስትዋተር ትሪትመንት ጊዜ ኦርጋኒክ እንትኖችን ሶሊዶችን እንትን በማለት ብሬክዳውን በማድረግ ምን ይሰጠናል ወይም ምን ፕሮዲዩስ ያደርጋል? ባዮጋዝ ሚቴን። ያ ደግሞ እንደ ኤነርጂ እንደ ሪኒዌብል ኤነርጂ ሶርስ ነው ያገለግላል። ስለዚህ አንሳር ሹድ ቢ ቢ ይሆናል። An enzyme called proteases are sometimes added to commercial meat tenderizers. What is the biological function of this enzyme in tenderizers? A. They act as antioxidants to prevent the meat. B. They enhance the flavor by synthesizing new compounds. C. They break down tough muscle proteins, making the meat softer and easier to chew. D. They kill bacteria on the surface of meat. የትኛው ነው መልሳችን? Enzyme called protease sometimes added to commercial meat tenderizers. What is the biological function of this enzyme in tenderizing meat? መስል ፕሮቲኖች ላይ ስፔሲፊካሊ በመስል ፕሮቲኖች they break down ታፍ መስል ፕሮቲኖች ሲ ነው የሚሆነው ብሬክዳውን ያደርጋሉ በኮኔክቲቭ ቲሹን እነዚህ አገናኝ ቲሹዎች ጋር እነዚህ ኮላጅን ምናምን እንትኑ ስጋው ሞር እንትን እንዲሆን ቴንደር እንዲሆን ያደርጋል ብሬክዳውን ታፍ ፕሮቲን ትራንስፈር ሲ ይሆናል። What is a primary requirement for efficient ethanol production by yeast in industrial fermentation process? A. The presence of abundant oxygen to support aerobic respiration. B. A high concentration of nitrogen compounds for yeast growth. C. The exclusion of all light during the fermentation process. D. Anaerobic conditions, the absence of oxygen to ensure yeast performance fermentation rather than aerobic respiration. Answer should be G. Anaerobic condition, absence of oxygen to ensure yeast perform fermentation rather than aerobic respiration. Which microorganism is essential for the fermentation process that gives injera characteristic sour taste and porous spongy texture? A. Molds. B. Bacteria. C. Virus. D. Yeast. ጤፍ ላይ ያሉትን ካርቦሃይድሬቶች ፈርመንት የሚያደርጉት ማለትነው ይስቶች ናቸው። ከዛ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድን ፕሮዲዩስ ያደርጋሉ። ያ ደግሞ እንጀራ አሁን የምናየው አይነት ቴክስቸር አይነት እና ሶርነት የሆነ እንትኑ የሚሰጠው በይስቶች አማካኝነት። 32 What is the biological process fundamental to production of alcoholic beverage involving the conversion of sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide? A. Distillation. B. Oxidation. C. Fermentation. D. Photosynthesis. It's a biological process now. The alcoholic beverage should be fermentation. Anaerobic metabolic process yeastoች ያካትቱት ሱጋሩ ወደ ኢታኖል የሚቀየው ኢታኖል እና እንደዚሁ carbon dioxide. So 3. During traditional bread making, what gas is produced by yeast that cause the dough to rise and contribute to bread's airy structure? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Methane. D. Nitrogen. Answer should be carbon dioxide. 34. The extended shelf life of many traditional fermented foods such as injera and pickled vegetables is primarily due to the production of acids by microorganisms. What is the key preservation mechanism of these acids? A. They increase the food sweetness. B. They lower the pH of foods, creating an acidic environment that inhibited the growth of most spoilage and pathogenic microorganisms. C. They remove all moisture, leading to dehydration. D. They enhance the sugar content, which act as preservative. Answer should be አሲዶች ለላክቲክ አሲድ ምናምን ፒኤቻቸውን የምግቦችን ይቀንሳሉ። የእንትኖች ምንድነው የተለያዩ ኦርጋኒዝሞች በካይ የሆኑ ፓቶጂኖች ምናምን እድገታቸውን በመቀነስ ፒኤች እንትኑን ያንሳል። አንሰር should be they lower pH, creating answer should be B. Injera is traditionally made from teff flour, which macronutrient in teff flour is primarily utilized by yeast during fermentation to achieve the distinct qualities of injera: A. Carbohydrates, sugar; B. Proteins; C. Lipid, fats; D. Carbs. የትኛው ነው? ካርቦሃይድሬት ይስቶች ካርቦሱጋራቸውን ነው ፈርመንቴሽን ለማካሄድ የሚጠቀሙት። 36. Which type of microorganism is typically cultivated and used to convert sugars into ethanol during the industrial production of alcoholic beverage? A. Bacteria; B. Molds; C. Yeast; D. Protozoa. and should be this በተለይ ታዋቂው ሳክሮማይዝስ yeast ነገሮችን ወደ ኢታኖል በዋናነት መቀየር yeastoች ናቸው። 37. For optimal ethanol yield in the production of alcoholic drinks, what specific atmospheric condition is typically maintained during fermentation process? A. High oxygen concentration; B. Bright light exposure; C. Very high temperature; D. Anaerobic oxygen-free conditions. For optimal ethanol yield, the answer should be anaerobic condition, anaerobic oxygen-free condition ነው። እንግዲህ ፈርመንቴሽን የሚካሄደው anaerobic condition ላይ ያኔ ነው ኢተርናል ፕሮዳክሽኑ ከፍ ማክሲማይዝ ሊሆን ይችላል። 38. The spongy porous texture characteristic of injera is direct outcome of the production of which specific gaseous compound during its fermentation? A. Methane; B. Carbon dioxide; C. Oxygen; D. Nitrogen. የትኛው ነው? በሊጥም በእንጀራ ምናምን carbon dioxide. 39. In the presence of genetic engineering, what is the primary function of a restriction enzyme as suggested by their action on DNA? A. To replicate DNA strands; B. To synthesize new proteins from messenger RNA; C. To join DNA fragments together; D. To cut DNA at a specific nucleotide sequence. The primary function of restriction enzyme answer should be D. To cut DNA at a specific nucleotide. Enzyme restriction enzyme molecular Caesar ነው አይደል? እንደ ሞለኩላር መቀስ ነው የሚታይ። the answer should be D ሆነ to cut. 40. What is the fundamental principle that allows for the separation of DNA fragments by size in gel electrophoresis as depicted in the image? DNA fragments are separated based on their electrical charge only. B. Larger DNA fragments move faster through the gel matrix. C. DNA fragments being negatively charged migrates towards the positive electrode, with smaller fragments moving faster through the gel. D. DNA fragments are separated by their chemical combustion. Obviously DNA negatively charged ነው ምክንያቱም ፎስፌት ግሩፕ ስላለው። በኤሌክትሪክ ፊልድ ደግሞ የፊዚክስ ኮንሰፕታችን ወዴት ነው የሚሄደው? ኔጌቲቭሊ ቻርጅ ስለሆነ ወደ ፖዚቲቭ ፖል ኦፖዚት ቻርጅ ጋር ማለት ነው። So the answer should be DNA fragments being negatively charged migrate toward a positive electron. Obviously written C ይሆናል። Why are plasmids commonly used as vectors in recombinant DNA technology to introduce foreign DNA into host cells? A. They are small circular DNA molecules that can replicate independently in host cells and carry certain genes. B. They are responsible for producing enzyme for gene editing. C. They are component of cell nucleus. D. They directly translate messenger RNA into protein. Why plasmids commonly used as a vector in recombinant DNA? They are small circular DNA molecules that can replicate independently in the host cell, indicating inserted plasmid ምቹ ናቸው ቬክተር ለቬክተርነት አይዲያል ቬክተር ናቸው ምቹ ናቸው እነዚህ ምክንያቶች ነው ማለት ነው 42 a forensic scientist finds a minute amount DNA at crime scene and needs to create millions of copies for analysis such as DNA fingerprinting. Which biotechnological technique would they use for this amplification? A. Gel electrophoresis. B. Polymerase chain reaction. C. DNA ligation. D. recombinant DNA technology. እቺን ነገር ቀደም ሌላ ጥያቄ ላይ ማብራሪያ ሰጥቼበታለሁ to create millions of copy for analysis ምንድነው የሚጠቅመን polymerase chain reaction CP ትክክለኛ መልስ ነው For 3, genetically modified crop engineered to produce their own insecticides, example bitcorn, or tolerate herbicides are example of what type of organism? A. Transgenic organism. B. Cloned organism. C. Mutated organism. D. Hybrid organism. bitcorn ወይም genetically modified የሆኑ ራሳቸው insecticide እና bitcorn የምን ኤግዛምፕል ሊሆኑ የሚችሉ transgenic organisms gene from another ከሌላ ጂን የሚቀበሉ ማለት ነው transgenic የምንላቸው የሌላ DNA የተቀበሉ ከሌላ species A44 after their gene it is cut from a source organism and a plasmid is opened with restriction enzyme which enzyme is essential for permanently joining the gene into plasmid to form stable recombinant DNA molecule enzyme no A. Restriction endonuclease. B. DNA polymerase. C. DNA ligase. D. Reverse transcriptase. ሊንክ የሚያደርግልን ወይም ሞለኪውላር ግሉ እንትንን ሞለኪውላር ሲዘር ብለን አይደለም እንደ ሞለኪውላር ግሉ ሆኖ ደግሞ ሊንክ የሚያደርግልን ማለት ነው ሊጌዝ DNA ሊጌዝ ነው የሚያቀናኝ C 45 which application of biotechnology is widely used in paternity testing, criminal investigation, forensics, and the identification of human remains due to its ability to identify unique genetic patterns, and gene therapy, being therapeutic cloning, stem cell research, DNA fingerprinting. የትኛው ነው answer should be obviously DNA fingerprinting በዋናነት በሰፊው paternity testing like criminal investigation the forensic ምርመራዎች identification of human remains due to its ability to identify unique genetic pattern genetic DNA fingerprinting for 6 reproductive cloning famously demonstrated by Dolly the sheep Dolly ታውቃታላችሁ involves creating a genetically identical organism from a somatic cell. What is the fundamental goal of this process? The Dolly በተለይ Dolly the sheep የተደረገው fundamental goal ምንድነው? A. To produce therapeutic protein. B. To create new individual that is genetically identical to the donor parent. C. To produce stem cells for medical treatment. D. To repair damaged genes within an existing organism. reproductive cloning በተለይ የዶሊ ላይ ዋና ኤሙ ወይም ግቡ የነበረው ምንም ፕሮዲስ ማድረግ ነው ኮምፕሊት ተመሳሳይ የሆነ organism so to create a new individual that is genetically completely genetically identical to the donor parent. Or 7, what is the underlying goal of gene therapy as treatment of genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis or certain immunodeficiencies? To completely replace damaged organs with new ones. B, to introduce functional copy of a gene into patient's cells to correct a genetic defect. To suppress the immune system to prevent autoimmune infection. D, to diagnose genetic disorders before birth. What is the underlying goal of gene therapy treatment for genetic disease like cystic fibrosis or certain immunodeficiency? The answer should be to introduce a functional copy of gene into a patient's cell to correct a genetic defect. Gene ቅድምም ለማብራራት ሞክረና መልካችን B ይሆን diabetes surrounding the ethical implication of altering human germline cells or human reproductive cloning often center on concern about A, the economic cost of the technologies, B, the potential for widespread disease outbreak, C, the impact on agricultural biodiversity, D, the unforeseen consequence, human dignity, and playing God. ይሄ በዋናነት ምንድነው? ዲ ይሆናል። በአጠቃላይ ይሄ እንትን በፊውቸር ጀነሬሽን አፌክት ያደርጋል። በተጨማሪም ትልቅ ኢቲካል ጥያቄዎችን በሰዎች ላይ የሚያስነሳ በሰው ማንነት ላይ የሚያስነሳ በተለይም ከእምነትም ጋር እዚህ ጋር ትንሽ እንትን ያለኝ እቺ ተጠቀም ፕሌይንግ ጋርድ የሚለው ባይገባ ጥሩ ነበረ። ቼክ አላረኩትም ነበር በእርግጥ በፍጥነት ነው እንትን እየሰራው በፊት ከተለያዩ ሶርሶች ነው ያመጣው። ጀነራሊ ግን ምንድነው ሐሳቡ አንፎር ቲንግ ኮንሲኩዌንስ human dignity በግልጽ ነው። በተለይ ከሞራል የሰዎች አሁን በሳይንስ እየሄዱ ያሉ እንትኖች ጋር የተያዙ ለአንተሮች ሊሆን ይችላል። ዲኖ እዚህ ጋር ምናምን ከፈጣሪ ጋር ስለያያዘው ፕሌይንግ ጋር የሚለው ቃል ደስ ስላለ 49 in genetic engineering what is the role of vector example plasmid or viruses? A, it carries and delivers a foreign gene into a host cell. B, it acts as extraction enzyme to cut DNA. C, it synthesizes DNA from RNA template. D, it separates DNA fragments based on size. ምንድነው simply what is the role of vector ፕላዝሚዶችም ቫይረሶችም ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። መልሳችን የሚሆነው it carries and delivers foreign gene into host cell. Using genetically modified microorganisms to break down environmental pollutants such as oil spills or toxic waste is an example of what application of biotechnology? A, gene therapy. B, DNA fingerprinting. C, bioremediation. D, genetic counseling. Using genetic modified environmental Improve what application biotechnology? The answer should be bioremediation. living organisሞችን ብዙ ጊዜ ማይክሮቦችን ለሜታቦሊክ ምናምን ስንጠቀም the answer should be bioremediation ይሆናል። The large scale production of human insulin for treating diabetes, which was historically sourced from animals, is now widely accomplished using genetically engineered bacteria or yeast. This is a prime example of biotechnology, forensic science, the agriculture, C, pharmaceutical production, D, environmental cleanup. የቴክኖሎጂ ኤግዛምፕል የትኛው የባዮቴክኖሎጂ ኤግዛምፕል ሊሆን የሚችለው ከፋርማሲ ጋር ፋርማቲካል እንደ ኢንሱሊን ግሮዝ ሆርሞኖች የተለያዩ መድኃኒቶች ላርጅ ፕሮዳክሽን ሂውማን ኢንሱሊን እና ዲያቤትስ እና ፋርማቲካል ኦር ከሜዲሲን ከጤና ጋር የተያያዙ የባዮቴክኖሎጂ ኤግዛምፕል ሊሆን የሚችሉት 52 which are relatively new and powerful gene editing to allow scientists to precisely cut and paste DNA sequence, enabling highly targeted modifications to correct genetic mutation. A, gel electrophoresis. B, polymerase chain reaction. C, DNA fingerprinting. D, series በተለምዶ CAS9 የሚባለው series CRISPR Cas9 ነው በብዛት እችኛዋን CRISPR Cas9 ጽሁፍ መጻችንም እሱ ነው። ትንሽ ወጣ ያለች ጥያቄ ነች ግን ያቸዋለች relatively new and powerful gene editing tool now allows scientists to precisely cut and paste DNA በነገራችን ላይ ወጣ ያሉ አንዳንድ በተለይ ከዛ ጋር የተያዙ ከባዮቴክኖሎጂ ጋር ምናምን ስታነቡ ሊመጡ ይመጣል አልፎ በተለይ በጣም ውጤት በጣም ያነበቡ ልጆችን ለመለየት የሚጠቀሙበት ነው። ብዙ ጥያቄዎች ኢንተርሚዲየት አይነት ናቸው፣ አንዳንዶቹ ቀላል ናቸው። እኛም በዛ መልኩ ነው ለማዘጋጀት ሜቢ አስተውላችሁ ከሆነ በጣም ቀላል ጥያቄዎች ቶሎ የሚመለሱ አሉ። አብዛኛው ግን ኢንተርሚዲየት አይነት መካከለኛ ጥያቄዎች ለማድረግ ነው ስቻለ የሚሞከረው ጀስት የናሽናል ኤግዛም አይነት አንዳንዴ በጣም ትሪኪ የሆኑ ከበድ ያሉ ጥሩ ውጤት የሚሰሩ ልጆችን ለመለየት ሆን ተብለው የሚጠየቁ ጥያቄዎች አሉ። እነሱን ኤክስፔክት ማድረግ ይኖርባቸዋል። In the production of yogurt, what type of microorganisms are primarily responsible for converting lactose milk sugar into lactic acid, leading to the characteristic texture and the sour taste? A, yeast. B, mold. C, algae. D, lactic acid bacteria. የትኛው ነው? production of yogurt. The answer is lactic acid bacteria. No. 54. In the process of cheese making, what is the main purpose of adding renin, an enzyme complex traditionally from calf stomachs or microbial cells to milk? A, to increase the milk fat content. B, to introduce beneficial mold culture for ripening. C, to coagulate milk proteins, casein, forming solid colors that separate from the whey, to pasteurize the milk and kill harmful bacteria. የትኛው ነው? ምንድነው የሚጨመረው? ኤሌመንቶች ኢንዛይሞች የሚጨመሩበት ምክንያት ተንታቾች ቱ ሶሊድ እንደዚህ ክሩዶች ምናምን ለመፍጠር እርጎ ላይ እንትን ላይ ቺዝ ላይ ምናምን ምንድነው የሚባለው ብቻ ኮርድ እንዲሆኑ የእርጎና የምንድነው የቺዝ ባህሪ እንዲያመጡ የሚጨመሩ C ይሆናል። The characteristics, sour taste, and the thickened texture of yogurt are primarily due to the accumulation of rich compound produced by fermentation of lactose by bacteria. A. Ethanol. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Acetic acid. D. Lactic acid. The answer should be lactic acid. ላክቶስን ወተት ላይ የሚገኘውን ላክቶስን ባክቴሪያ ወተት ላይ የሚገኘውን ወደ ምን ይቀይረዋል? ወደ ላክቲክ አሲድ ይሆናል። Using microorganisms in food production such as making bread, beer, or cheese offer several advantages. What is the key benefit beyond just product creation? A. Decrease the nutritional value of the food. B. Enhance flavor, texture, and often act as a natural preservation method. C. Requires more complex industrial process. D. Otherwise produce undesirable byproducts. What the key benefit beyond this production creation? Enhance flavor, texture, and often act as natural preservation method. Answer should be D. Microbial fermentation ጊዜ 57. What is a specific role of certain mold culture? Example, penicillin in the production of a panning of cheese like blue cheese or bread. A. To act as preservation against spoiling bacteria. B. To accelerate the coagulation of milk. C. To produce lactic acid which causes the milk. D. To break down fats and proteins, developing characteristic flavor, hormones, and the texture. To break down fats. That should be D. 58. In the industrial production of yogurt, after adding the starter culture, why is the milk mixture typically incubated at a specific warm temperature? Example, 40 up to 45 degrees centigrade. A. To kill off any remaining harmful bacteria. B. To melt the milk fat, ensuring smooth texture. C. To provide the optimal temperature range for the activity and growth of the lactic acid bacteria. E. To evaporate excess water from the mixture. ኢንኩቤሽን ቴምፕሬቸሩ በሚጨምር ጊዜ ምን ይሰጠናል? ከፍተኛ የሆነ በፍጥነት እንዲያድጉ ስለዚሁም የላክቲክ አሲድ ባክቴሪያ ያለውን እንትን በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ እንዲያድግ በአጠቃላይ የፈርመንቴሽን ፕሮሰሱ በጣም አሪፍ እንዲሆን እና ኮንሲስተንትሊ እና ኤፊሽንትሊ እንዲካሄድ ያደርግልናል። መልሳችን ሲ 59. In the context of food producing bacteria, what is the main purpose of the fermentation step? Anaerobic respiration that occurs after glycolysis. A. To generate large amount of ATP for the bacteria. B. To directly produce oxygen for the process. C. To synthesize complex proteins for flavor. D. To regenerate non-platform NADH along glycolysis and ATP production to continue. After glycolysis to regenerate NADH from NADH allowing glycolysis and ATP production. T. 60. Yogurt, kombucha, and kimchi are often marketed as probiotic foods. What does this term imply about their microbial content? Probiotic foods and they contain antibiotics that kill harmful bacteria. B, they contain 5 beneficial microorganisms that can contribute to a healthy gut microbiome when consumed. C, they are completely sterile and free of all microorganisms. D, they are only produced using genetically modified organisms. ሲሸጡ ፕሮባዮቲክስ ናቸው መባላቸው ምንድን ነው ገልጸን ወይ ኢምፕሊኬሽኑ ምንድን ነው? እነዚህ ፕሮባዮቲክ ፉድ የሚባሉት በዋናነት ጠቃሚ የሆኑ ባክቴሪያዎችን እንደዚህ ኢስቶችን ለዳይጀሽን እንደዚህ ለኢሚኒቲ ምናምን የሚጠቅሙ እንትኖችን የያዙ ናቸው። በዛ መልኩ ነው the answer should be they contain like beneficial microbes that contribute healthy gut microbes digestion. The answer should be ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። ትንሽ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው I think የቀሩት እየጨረስን ነው። Okay, 61. What is a key advantage of using isolated enzyme often produced through biotechnology, example using genetically engineered microbes in industrial food processing? What is the key advantage? A, enzymes are very unstable and difficult to store. B, they are highly specific in their action, efficient, and they can function under controlled conditions, enabling precise product modification. C, they always require extremely high temperature to be active. D, they are toxic to humans if consumed in food products. The key advantage of using isolated enzymes enzyme ምን ይሰጠናል? ፕሪሳይስ የሆነ ኮንትሮል በተለይ በፉድ ፕሮሰሲንግ ስቴፖች ላይ የተለያዩ ዝቃጮችን ምንድነው ዌስቶችን ከመቀነስ አንጻር የምግብ ጥራትን ከማሻሻል አንጻር አጠቃላይ ምግብ ላይ ያሉ እንትኖች ኢምፕሩቭመንት አጠቃላይ ሰዛ should be ይሆናል። After milk has been curdled during cheese making, the solid curds are separated from the liquid byproduct. What is the protein rich liquid commonly known as? A, casein. B, butterfat. C, lactose. D, whey. Do you know about it? ይሄ በአማርኛው ምንድነው ወይ ነው በእንግሊዝኛው ይሄ ሊኩዊድ ፖርሽን ነው ሊኩዊድ ፓርቱ ከረጋ በኋላ የሚቀረው በአማርኛ ምንድነው አጓት አይ ቲንክ እንደዛ ነገር ፕሮቲኖችን ይዛል ላክቶስ እነዚህም ኒውትሪየንቶችን ይዘዋል that should be why no 63 besides enhancing flavor and texture, how does the production of lactic acid by bacteria during fermentation contribute to the preservation of foods like yogurt, cheese, and pickles? A, it increases the pH, making the environment less hospitable for spoilage organisms. B, it reduces the water content of the food. C, it lowers the pH, creating an acidic environment that inhibits the growth of many spoilage and pathogenic microorganisms. D, it adds antioxidants which prevent spoilage. No, that's what it lowers the pH, creating acidic. ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄ የራሱ ባይሆንም ግን ተቀራራቢ ጥያቄ ከዚህ በፊት ያልኩት ነበር። cutting edge application of biotechnology in food production that aims to produce animal derived food products, but meat from cell grown in a laboratory without the need for traditional livestock farming, A. Vertical farming, B. Hydroponics, C. Cultured meats with cellular agriculture, D. Genetic modification of existing livestock. Cutting edge application of biotechnology. 3. Cultured meat በአጠቃላይ ከባዮቴክኖሎጂ ያወጣናቸው ጥያቄዎች ይህን ይመስሉ ነበር። ሌሎች ቀሪ አንድ ሁለት ዩኒቶችንም ለመጨረስ እንሞክራለን ባሉን ጥቂት ጊዜያት እነሱን ከበር እናደርጋለን። እናንተም እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች በደንብ መስራት ከቻላችሁ ሆፕሊ በደንብ አይደለም ማለፊያ በደንብ ጥሩ ውጤት እንደምትሰሩ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ኤክስቴንሽን አስተያየት ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ ያልገባችሁ ግልጽ ያልሆናችሁ ነገር ምናልባት ስህተትም ከሰራው እሱን ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ፣ አየዋለሁ። ቴሌግራማችን ላይ ሌሎችን መከታተል አዳዲስ ነገሮች ካሉ ላይ ቼክ አድርጉ።